The Miami University Humanities Center is a hub for research, public engagement, and collaborative study in the fields of history, philosophy, literature, language, and culture.
What's been so impressive to me is that the Humanities Center has a very inclusive attitude about who and what the humanities is and who can participate.
The Humanities Center pulled together a group of faculty interested in medical humanities for a research cluster. That group included a professor of French, an anthropologist, a person in classics, a person in English, and all those people worked together, and now they're building a curriculum. That curriculum will ultimately help our students who are going to medical school, and it'll also be great for students in history, English, and other humanities subjects.
I think the Humanities Center has played a really significant role in deepening and furthering my research interests. It's allowed me to have individual conversations with a variety of scholars, particularly guest speakers that have been brought in. So I'm able to discuss geologic time with leading historians and talk to CEOs that run nonprofit organizations that are on the cutting edge of agricultural research and things.
Every year there's been a lot of programming where I've been able to just interact with scholars that I'm reading in my classrooms. There's been a lot of overlap between what the Humanities Center is doing and then either what I'm doing or it gets me interested in new things and asking new questions about the stuff I'm already doing.
One of the great experiences I had was presenting my presentation at the end of the year at the Altman Conference. Presenting alongside the other student fellows and presenting alongside other faculty was a really great experience, and I really learned a lot.
I think the biggest thing that the Altman program has given me for the future is my ability to think interdisciplinarily. I think I can apply it to whatever field I go into, whether that is I decide to become a professor or go into corporate America or decide to go be a teacher.
That's really essential to liberal arts education. Everyone needs that training.
For me, one of the biggest benefits is just being able to have an interdisciplinary approach when doing research. Before, I only focused mainly on the sciences in my research, but now I'm able to couple it with the humanities, and that has been integral to my learning at Miami University.
It's been shown in study after study that diversity adds to the college environment in multiple kinds of ways, preparing students for a global world, preparing students for interacting with a diverse body in terms of their career. And the Humanities Center and humanities in general have a tendency to be more aggressive with those communities and pushing for diversity within the university environment.
The Humanities Center really expands and has transformed research horizons at this institution. At the same time, it gives me the opportunity to reach out to other colleagues and establish long-lasting collaborations that otherwise would not have happened.
It's a unique time and space for us to think about and reflect what makes us human, why are we here, who are we, what do we want to do with our lives, what kind of world do we want to live in, and how can we help create that world. I think the Humanities Center does a terrific job of bridging humanities-based concerns and reminding us of what our function is as a university.